Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another episode of Elevation Angling. Except it's 5:20 in the morning and I'm not going fishing. I am going deer hunting. I'm going to go meet my friend Seth, a little south of Gunnison. Go see if I can find myself a big old buck. Thank you guys for watching. I'm sure this intro video sounds like I'm tired out of my mind, which I am. But hopefully you enjoy it, and thanks for watching. Time check, 5:56. Met up with Seth. He's over there grabbing his stuff out of his truck, having a little breakfast. Saw a couple bucks on the road along the way here. Both of them I probably would have shot if I could have. But I got a professional guide with me, so we'll see how today goes.
Where's your daddy? Or your granddaddy? Either one. Well, that spot was a bust. I was hoping there was going to be a buck hanging out below that cliff. Anyway, there's a rumor wandering around the woods that there's some big bucks hanging out on my friend's ranch. So, first I'm going to go double check that they are indeed big bucks and not just, mediocre bucks that a bunch of Midwesterners think are good bucks. But if they are, I'm going to go find some cell service and see if I can't sell my soul for a big buck. Keep you posted. Well, the rumor mill was wrong. At this moment, there are no large bucks hanging out on his ranch, as far as I can see. But I'm betting this evening or tomorrow morning they're gonna be sitting there. So plan is still to get out and find some cellular service
Seth said he'd call or shoot me a text in the morning if he knows where any big bucks are hanging out. So probably go find some cell service. Actually might go up in Glasses Canyon kind of behind me for a minute. But no bucks here right now. Alright, that's all. Alright, time check. It is 3:38, which means anytime in the next hour and a half, the sagebrush is going to start turning back into mule deer, hopefully with antlers that look something similar to the tree behind me. Equally as big, yeah, you know. But I found this huge game trail up on this hill. And I would stick it out, but I left my bigger, warmer jacket in the truck because I was trying to save weight coming up the hill because I didn't think it'd be uber productive or that I'd actually want to sit up here. So I'm debating whether I freeze my butt off or go hit the spot that I was going to hit earlier, or was debating to hit for the evening. I think I'm going to go hit where I was planning to, come back here maybe even sneak up here tomorrow morning and see what's what. You'll find out. Stay tuned. Hi guys, it is 5 o'clock on third day of second rifle season. I'm back out in the sagebrush after working all day. We got a little bit of cloud cover today, and I've already seen more deer like the last 5 minutes than I did in all of the noon hours yesterday combined. So, hang on. No, sagebrush. That's a start. Bunch of does already. But I'm gonna hit a spot I scouted out Monday while I was doing all the driving around, so we'll see how that goes. Keep you posted. Hi guys. So it is 10 past 6 on day 4 of my mule deer hunt, and I'm back at the same exact spot I was last night. I'm actually like 10 yards from where that doe materialized. Anyway, I ran into a few bucks last night right on the end of legal shooting light and well within range and everything, but thanks to Colorado's rules where you don't have to mark your private property, I wasn't exactly sure they were on public land, and they weren't quite what I was hoping to take. Give it another 4 days and I would have gladly harvested one of those bucks, but there's still a few days left in my season and there are some big deer out there, so I'm gonna hold out a little bit longer before I take one of those. But got back last night and checked out thanks to the internet, the property boundaries, and I think they were on I know they were on public land, so I'm gonna work my way back to that little spot tonight and see if there's a bigger dude hanging out with them. But until then, just sitting here watching that same valley. There were a bunch of deer sitting at the bottom of it. Okay, so either there's somebody that herds deer, or there's literally a trillion deer that hang out right here. But check this out. Deer poop, deer poop, deer poop, deer poop, deer poop, deer poop. I'm pretty sure it's deer poop. I guess it could be like a private sheep herd or something that on the other side of the truck. I'm utterly baffled. I have no idea. I guess it could be elk. I don't know. Looks a little small for elk. This is insane. I'd have to bet that it's sheep. Some private sheep herd, but I haven't seen anything. Unless some dude's got 500 llamas, but that doesn't make sense either. Like, that's insane. Okay,
I've spotted a deer. Looks like a big buck, but I can't honestly tell. It's a little ways away, so I'm gonna make a quick boogie out there. I'm gonna have to haul butt along this ridge because I can't run it, but I'm gonna go take a look. Keep you posted. Well, I don't know how the other two videos came out at this point, so I'm gonna assume badly, but I just got back from a little jaunt, spotted what I thought was a big deer about 3/4 of a mile off, and so I had 20 minutes of legal shooting light left, and so I grabbed the gear real quick, and not even 20 minutes, it was like 15-10, so I grabbed the gear and hauled booty, which isn't easy because I'm still wearing my work shoes, which was a bad idea, but anyway, got within 300 yards and I could not tell if it was a buck or a doe. It was really dark at that point, and I'm not entirely sure where the road is right here, but got real dark at that point, and couldn't quite tell. I knew there was another one with it. It was a doe, I could see because she skylined herself, but given the time requirements, I decided to give it a whistle and see if I could get him to pop his head up, because he wouldn't, and lo and behold, it was indeed a large buck. So I know where I'm coming in the morning. We'll see how that goes. Probably the last video for tonight. Hello. Yeah, that was an interesting morning. Passed on 2 bucks that, well, I didn't pass on 2 bucks. I passed on 1 buck. I probably should have shot. Decent buck. Not real wide, tall, thick beams. Good deer. Second deer, I hesitated because I thought it had a broken antler and I didn't really want to shoot a broken antler. But after closer observation, it was just messed up and it was a goofy looking rack, and it was actually a really big, cool deer. So made a move on it, and I was that close to getting a shot when I realized that some dingus had parked his razor right between me and the deer. So didn't take that shot. Kept trying to find that deer for another couple hours, but Seth had to head home, so I'm back to all on my lonesome. But I'm back where I saw that bigger buck, well, where we saw that other buck this morning, the one that I probably shouldn't have passed on, but I'm kind of glad that I did because I saw that other one, but I'm kind of not glad that I did because I kind of want to shoot a buck anyway. Yeah, so midday, deer all bedded. We'll see what pans out tonight, but there are indeed big bucks sitting out on my buddy's ranch. Might have to give him a call. Good evening. It is 6:51. Legal shooting light is over. I'm attempting to navigate back out of this valley. It's pretty steep right here. Woo. No sign of Mondo McLary, the deer that I was attempting to find. Well, would have shot this morning if that dude hadn't horribly parked his razor between me and him. But oh well, that's hunting. Probably be right back here tomorrow morning at the crack of dawn, so we'll see you then. Morning, folks. It is exactly 8 o'clock on October the 26th, and I've had a fantastic morning. I don't know if you can see him. Oh yeah, there you go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. I'm super stoked.
I'll get some good pictures and add them to the video. But thanks for watching, guys. This was an awesome hunt, an awesome result. I owe Seth immensely. I'll make sure his information's in my description if you ever want to get a great guided hunt. Thank you.